Hello guys, I'm back with my another video. So in this video, I'll be unboxing and doing a small review of this tire pressure monitoring system. Now unfortunately, while recording my clip got divided into two parts and the first part got corrupted. So we will directly start with the box content. So inside the box you will get the charging cable, a wrench and 3 bolts which will act like an anti-theft system. And also you will get a tool to get inside the sensor for changing the battery. The next thing you have is your front and rear tire sensor, which as the name suggests, it goes on your tire valve. The next thing you have is your main display monitor. There were two more things inside the box which was recorded in the first part, that were the mounting bracket and the user manual. Now let's start with the installation. First you have to screw this anti-theft bolt. After that you need to screw on the sensor depending on which tire you are working on. Then all you have to do is unscrew the anti-theft bolt against the sensor and tighten it up with the tool provided in the box. And that's it with the installation of the sensor. As soon as you do that, your monitor will automatically start displaying your tire pressure in PSI and your tire temperature. Now let's have a look at the monitor. At the front you have this small plastic display. The quality of the monitor and the display is not really very good, but that's what you expect from a Chinese product. But it does its job perfectly. On the right side of the monitor there are two buttons. First one is set button, using which you can change your unit from PSI to bar. The second button over there is your power switch. If you press it for like 4 to 5 seconds, then you will turn on and off your display. And upon single click, you can wake your monitor while it's turned on. And you can also toggle through 3 different brightness settings using that particular button. Alright guys, so this was a short and simple video about this tire pressure monitoring system. Now along with this I want to talk about two things. The first thing you may have noticed that is improved voice quality. अभी जो मेरा existing mic था उस पर मैंने सारे चीज़ें करके देख लिया बट उसका voice quality नहीं सुधर रहा था. So finally I've purchased a new one. So obviously नया है, अच्छा voice आएगा ही. और secondly जो इस बारे में मुझे बात करना है, जो जिस चीज़ के लिए मैं काफ़ी दुखी हूँ और मैं इनरेगुलर भी हूँ वीडियोज़ में और आगे भी कुछ दिन के लिए रहूँगा. अभी जो लोग मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करते हैं उनको पता है कि मेरी दादी जी हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट थी. मैंने स्टोरी डाला था एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऑन 8th Jan 2020 शी लेफ्ट ऑल ऑफ अस. यस, इट्स रियली हार्ट ब्रेकिंग फॉर मी क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली अभी क्योंकि मुझे शेयर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ ऐसा हो गया है. और इसीलिए लास्ट में मेरा जो प्लान था अभी तक का, मीन्स आज तारीख क्या है, आज 12 तारीख है, 12 तारीख तक मेरे प्लान के हिसाब से मैं 3 से 4 वीडियोस डालने वाला था. बट ऑब्वियसली फैमिली इज़ प्रायोरिटी, तो मैं उसमें लग गया. अभी आगे भी मुझे गांव जाना पड़ेगा फॉर द प्रोसीजर्स और इन सब चीज़ों के लिए. तो मैं एक अराउंड 22nd तक कोई वीडियोज़ अपलोड नहीं कर पाऊँगा. वहाँ से आने के बाद फिर मैं वीडियोज़ अपलोड करूँगा क्योंकि मुझे मेरे कज़न की शादी में भी जाना है. उसके बाद फिर मेरा एक राइड भी है, वो सब. तो मैं आपको अब 10 से 15 दिन के बाद मिलूँगा एंड आई होप यू गाइस अंडरस्टैंड. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed, then click here to subscribe and click here to see my last video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.